In a class of senior high school students, 15 have pet cats, 12 have pet dogs, 5 have both cats and dogs, and 8 have neither cats nor dogs. How many total students are in the class? For these kind of problems we use a Venn diagram to represent the information. Let C denote the set of students with pet cats and D denote the set of students with pet dogs. The intersection part represents the students who have both cats and dogs as pets. This section represents the students who have only cats and not dogs as their pet. And this section represents the students who have only dogs and not cats as their pet. Given 5 students have both cats and dogs. Therefore, it can be written in the intersection section of both sets. Given that 15 students have pet cats. Therefore, number of students who have only cats is equal to 15 minus 5, which is equal to 10. Also given that 12 students have pet dogs. Therefore, number of students who have only dogs as their pet is equal to 12 minus 5, which is equal to 7. It is also given that 8 students have neither cats nor dogs as their pets. Therefore, it can be written outside the Venn diagram. Therefore, total number of students in the class is equal to number of students who have only cats plus number of students who have only dogs plus number of students who have both cats and dogs plus number of students who have neither cats nor dogs. Therefore, total number of students is equal to 10 plus 7 plus 5 plus 8, which is equal to 30. Therefore, there are 30 students in the class. Thank you for watching.